What will the price of Terra Luna Classic be? Is LUNC ready for a breakout? Crypto news. The original Terra blockchain's native token, LUNC, is called Terra Classic. It hasn't done well this Thursday, losing about 5.5% in the last 24 hours. The last time LUNC/USD traded, it was around $0.00014. This was down about 20% from its weekly highs above $0.00018, but still up about 15% from its monthly lows around $0.000127. In the past few days, Lunc's price has quickly changed direction after failing to maintain a push above its 200-day moving average. There is a chance that the short-term technical picture won't be very good since the cryptocurrency has now dropped below both its 21 and 50 DMAs. In the short run, though, price predictions shouldn't be too pessimistic because there are some reasons to be hopeful. As LUNC has recently pulled back, it has almost reached a falling trend line that was previously acting as resistance but may now be acting as support. That might be enough to get bulls to get back into the market and start buying on the dip. If so, LUNC might have a short-term jump back to its recent highs around $0.00018-20. The fact that LUNC prices broke out of the downtrend that had been in place since September is a good sign for the cryptocurrency's long-term chances for early 2023. It will be hard for LUNC to get back to its September highs in the $0.0006 area if the crypto market as a whole doesn't start to recover in early 2023. Since inflation is going down and the economy is getting worse, some crypto bulls are hoping that the Fed will pivot toward giving more dovish direction on its plans for interest rates. It is believed that this will boost a lot of risky assets, such as cryptocurrencies like LUNC. So, if there is a good change in macro conditions in the next few months, LUNC and the cryptocurrency markets as a whole could be ready for a break higher in 2023. But it's not just the big picture that could help LUNC in 2023. The LUNC community just recently agreed to switch to Lunc's tokenomics. Since the depeg of UST caused hyperinflation in May, the LUNC community has been working hard to find ways to reduce the number of LUNC tokens in circulation, but a new plan, 10983, added a new feature that would allow 50% of burned tokens to be made again. But earlier this week, a different proposal was approved that went against this less deflationary strategy. Supporters of this proposal said that reminting tokens would make people less likely to invest in LUNC. Once again, LUNC will tax 0.2% of all transactions, with 90% of the stock being burned and the other 10% going to the community pool. One fan of Terra Classic said that this might make Binance more likely to keep doing their monthly LUNC burns.